Hey, welcome to Bioworms. In this video, we are gonna discuss about the main scientist in microbiology and their contribution in microbiology. But Hooke, he is the first one to discover cell, but he discovered the cell dead. The next is Alexander Fleming. He discovered penicillin and lysozyme. Then Paul Ehrlich, he established the concept of chemotherapy. Then Ronaldo Ross, he developed the life cycle of malaria parasite, and he was the first one to study the malarial disease epidemiology. Then Machenkov, he discovered the process of phagocytosis. Then Julius Petri, he discovered the Petri dish. The Petri dish name is given after his name. Then Christian Gram staining techniques, and Ivansky, he discovered the tuber mosaic virus. Then Lord Joseph, he is the father of antiseptics. Serge, he is the father of soil microbiology. He developed the technique enrichment culture. And then Selman, he discovered the streptomycin activity. Louis Pasteur, he gave the term vaccine. He built the concept of fermentation, sterilization, and he gave the term microbiology. Edward Jenner, he is the father of immunology. He developed the first world vaccine against smallpox using cowpox virus. Then Anton van Leeuwenhoek, he was the first one to observe bacteria and protozoa cell by using his handmade microscope, and he gave them terms animalcules. Robert Koch, he developed the concept of solid media culture, isolation of pure culture, staining techniques, discovered bacteria like anthrax, cholera, and tuberculosis. Then Walter Hess, he developed agar solid medium with the help of his wife. Thank you.